Update on my birds. My lanes. Doing well so far. I've got all my main pairs on eggs. Got her there. She's laid a third egg today. Got these two. They're due hatch on Wednesday. She's on 4. That's a nappy in there. Cage 3. She's on 4. She's happy in there, I know. I've removed cocks. She's on 4 as well. Cage 4. So all them set of cages are full. But these two, I returned the eggs today. She stopped on her third. But she isn't sitting on me yet. I've disturbed when I come in shed. But I only returned them today, so should be alright. Got these two golden. She's on a third egg. I'll return them tomorrow. Got these two. They had the first egg today. Keep that out. Got these two. They've laid the first egg today too. In there, right at corner. Bit of a bad nest that, but nest to nest. That's all my birds. But these ones, what's not? But I only paired them up. Only paired them up yesterday. So I'm up in for it. Taking interest in the next few weeks. If not, I'll separate her and leave her for the next season if I keep her. Don't know yet. Spray dimorphic though, I'm going to pair up when one's gone down on eggs. Not usually yet. A red. I have much luck with her. Don't know what's wrong with her. Never bred off her. Kept her a couple of years since a chick, since we were young, but it seems in good condition. So I'll probably get rid of her next year. There's a few at Dad's. Here. And my cocks. Another one of my cocks. But I hope they're all full. I'm not doing too bad for the first session. There's all the eggs numbered. All numbered, so I know where they all are. Up in my rings from coloured canary breeders. Come on time, so I can bring all chicks up. But it's not doing too bad. Everything's looking good. Just up all these eggs are full. Just up all these eggs are full and I'll be happy. I'll do an update when I've got a few chicks. So catch you all later.